Good morning, students. In the class 12 Commerce in the Accountancy, our running chapter is Admission of Partners. In the running chapter, we are dealing with the accounting treatment of the goodwill. When the new partner brings the goodwill in cash, when the new partner doesn't bring the goodwill in cash, or when it is deal or it is deal outside the business. So we have learned that to solve the accounting treatment of goodwill, we can solve in the three way. If if the goodwill is are brought by the new partner, so the amount of the goodwill, if it is settled outside the business, there is no need to record in the books of accounts. And when the new partner bring the goodwill in cash, then these types of the problem can be solved in the two ways. When there will be the situation when the new old partner uh, new partner when the new partner bring the goodwill in cash and it is retained in the business, and in the second case when it is withdrawn by the old partners. So when it is retained in the business, we can pass the journal entry cash or bank account debit to new admitting partners capital account to premium for goodwill account. And the second journal entry will be in the case of retain. So the premium for goodwill account debit to old partners capital account in their sacrificing ratio. So in the second way, if it is withdrawn by the old partners, one extra journal entry are required to pass. The one extra journal entry required to pass except these two entries. So we make the old partners capital account debit to cash or bank account, if in cash or bank account if it is withdrawn by the old partners. So now we are going to deal with any other problem if the already goodwill exists in the books of accounts. So how should we deal? How should we deal that if there is already goodwill appear in the books of account? So there will be the possibility of the goodwill appearance in the books of account. So what the treatment should be done? If the already goodwill appear in the books of account, so first of all we have to write off the goodwill in their old profit sharing ratio, and then after we may have to make the same journal entry when the goodwill are brought by the new partner, new admitting partner. So first of all, to write off the goodwill, we have to pass the journal entry. We have to take the old partner capital account debit to goodwill account. We have to make the first journal entry. First of all, we have to write off the amount of the goodwill if it is already appearing in the books of account. So we have to pass this journal entry, old partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Then we have to pass the journal entry for when the new admitting partner bring the goodwill in cash. First of all, we have to make the cash or bank account debit to new partners capital account, new partners कैपिटल अकाउंट, जो कैपिटल की अमाउंट को लेकर के आ रहा है उस अमाउंट से इसको लिखेंगे टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट, प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट, जो भी अमाउंट को लेकर के आ रहा है एज ए कैपिटल और एज ए गुडविल. तो ये हो गया हमारा सेकंड जनरल. थर्ड जनरल क्या होगा हम लोग, इफ इट इज रिटेन इन द बिजनेस we have to make the journal entry premium for goodwill account debit, premium for goodwill account debit to old partners capital account. तो क्या जनरल एंट्री आपको बनाना पड़ेगा, हमको जनरल एंट्री बनाना पड़ेगा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक द write off the journal entry, so the write off the goodwill old if already appear in the books of the goodwill. तो अगर goodwill की अमाउंट ऑलरेडी बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में ऑलरेडी शो है तो उसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट ऑफ. तो ये राइट ऑफ की अभी हम रिटेन ऑफ. तो ये हो गया of the general old partners capital account will be debited to goodwill account. तो goodwill account को हम लोग क्रेडिट कर देंगे इस केस में. सेकंड केस में आप जो न्यू एडमिटिंग पार्टनर गुडविल का अमाउंट लेकर के आ रहा है उस अमाउंट को हम लोग डेबिट कर देंगे टू न्यू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट. ये होगा हमारा सेकंड जनरल एंट्री. इफ इट इज रिटेन इन द बिजनेस तो वी हैव टू मेक द जनरल एंट्री प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट इन देयर सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. अगर रिटेन बिजनेस में रिटेन है तो ये जनरल एंट्री बनेगी. अगर वो विड्रॉल कर लिया जाता है तो एक जनरल एंट्री और ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में भी टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट. तो इस तरीके से इसकी अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट स्टूडेंट्स किया जाएगा. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. तो अब इस टाइप की अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो हम लोग इसकी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वी विल डील विद द सेम प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस कंडीशन इफ इट इज अपेयर इन द क्वेश्चंस. So till then students, so I hope you got the topic and understand if the problem arises on the basis of when the already amount of goodwill appear in the books of account. So how to deal with these types of the problem by passing these types of the general entry, you can make the or solve the questions. Okay, thank you.